Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing clientelegift.com. So I'm just going to say right off the bat that this website is a scam. So as you can see, complete the steps below to claim your $500 gift card, which is too good to be true. Since if it were true, this would make headlines and would make a lot of people money. So as you can see, we have it here on malware tips. And then they basically, what you need to know is the scam of this website. So click on start here, enter your email and personal details, complete a few quote-unquote simple deals, and then you can claim your $500 Aritzia gift card. So why it looks legit, it doesn't look legit at all. The real goal behind is basically just to get information from a lot of people. So step 1 is the irresistible ads, collecting personal information, endless deal traps, and then the infinite loop over and over again from different customers. So please guys, do not fall for this very obvious scam right here. And then their target is gullible people and people who do not know anything any better on the internet. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.